Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how you can save the radio preset, so memorize the radio stations. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2021, so I know this screen changed a bit, but I believe everything else should be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to save the radio presets, you want to press onto the media here, and this is quite easy to do. Once you have selected your radio station, you want to select which spot you want to save it on. So there is nothing on number 4, so if I press here, I will add it here. If I want to add it to the existing one, I can press and hold here and it's gonna move here, and this is how you do it. If you want to save one more, let's say this one, I want it here. That's it, very easy and quick to do. If you press all presets, here you can see all of your save radio stations. You can have up to 18, I believe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.